हेलो नमस्कार टू द ऑल केमिस्ट्री लवर्स। मैं विजय कुमार सोनी आपका स्वागत करता हूं केमिस्ट्री वाला चैनल पे। जस्ट रिगार्डिंग टू द केमिस्ट्री ऑफ क्लास 11 12 नीट एंड आईआईटी आल्सो। इन द प्रीवियस वीडियो हमने डिस्कस किया पर्टिकुलर वीबीटी के रिगार्डिंग टू इंपॉर्टेंट एग्जांपल रिगार्डिंग टू कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर 2 एंड 3। टुडे विल गो विद द फर्दर जस्ट कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर 4 के रिगार्डिंग बात करेंगे। द एग्जांपल इज योर थर्ड, दैट इज योर NiCO. This is the carbonyl group. CO whole 4. This is the CO whole 4. It is also called as tetracarbonyl nickel 0. So this is the tetracarbonyl nickel 0. Tetracarbonyl nickel 0. ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट फाइंड आउट करेंगे सबसे पहले. सो दिस इज द 0 बिकॉज कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड इज अ मॉलिक्यूल. टोटल नंबर इज 4, 0, नो चार्ज ओवर द कॉम्प्लेक्स कंपाउंड. सो ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर विल बी 0 ऑल्सो. ड्यूरिंग दिस कॉम्प्लेक्स Ni चेंजेस इन Ni स्टार. Ni के लिए एटॉमिक नंबर 28 होगा आपके पास में. सो निकल इज योर 28. दिस इज योर ऑर्गन. This is your 3D8, 4S2, this is the 4P0. Remember one thing, CO is act as a strong ligand. CO अपने आप में एक strong ligand की तरह काम करता है. So इसका atomic configuration देखें. This is the 3D. This is the 4S. And this is the 4p. If we'll go with the just electron, then these are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Here is 2 electron. In the excited state, due to presence of strong ligand की presence होने के कारण से particular electrons का rearrangement हो जाएगा like this. टोटल 10 इलेक्ट्रॉन का फिलिंग कुछ इस टाइप से हो जाएगा एक्साइटेड स्टेट में लाइक दिस. 2, 4, 6, 8 एंड 10. एस का एक वैकेंट होगा, पी के 3 वैकेंट हो जाएंगे. दिस इज द 4s, दिस इज द 4p एंड दिस इज द 3d is fulfilled. Strong ligand coordination number is 4. 4 orbital are required, so it will be participation of one of s orbital and another 3 of p orbital. So total is 4. That's why hybridization will be sp3. If we'll go with the compound NiCO's whole 4, then this is the 3D 10. This is the 3D10. This is your 4s and this is 4p. 4s and 4p. One of the CO will be over here, 2, 3 and 4. These 4 CO will be as follows with the help of coordinate bond. So the geometry according to sp3 hybridization will be as a tetrahedral. This is the tetrahedral geometry. This is your Ni at the center, CO, second CO, third CO, and this is the fourth CO. Tetrahedral geometry. Bond angle with the 109 degree 28 minutes. This is unpaired electron. Everyone is paired, so we will say 0. Nature will be your diamagnetic nature. And magnetic moment mu bm, Bohr magneton from the root n plus 2 it will again your 0, 0 plus 2, 0 Bohr magneton. So this was about the third example as a coordination number 4 as a nickel, yeah, you can say tetracarbonyl nickel or nickel tetracarbonyl. Now we'll go with the just coordination number 4 again, the fourth example regarding to coordination number 4, and we'll take a lot of example because of many of the students are still confused in the V.B.T. So be with me, I'll explain each and every example. So now we'll go with the fourth example, that is your Ni Cn whole 4 2 minus, it is called as tetracyanido or tetracyano nickelate second. Tetracyano nickelate second. First of all, oxidation state of NiCN is your -1, like this. It is also as a strong ligand. So first of all, we'll go with the oxidation state, and after that we'll go with the just rearrangement of the electron, because Cn minus is again strong ligand. So this is the 4 is equals to, charge is your -2, x -2, this will be +2 over here, x -2 0, x is equals to +2, means in this complex Ni changes in Ni plus 2. Ni atomic number is your 28, so this is the Ni 28, organ 18, 3d8, 4s2, 4p0. Whenever it changes in Ni plus 2, so gain loss of 2 electron according to V.B.T. This is your 3d8, this is your 4s0, and this is your 4p again 0. Ni plus 2 28, this is the orbital diagram, 4s and 4p, this is the 4s and this is the 4p, this is your 3d, there is 8 electrons, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8, s का इलेक्ट्रॉन दोनों लूज कर चुका है. So now it will excited state, this is the Ni plus 2 denoted by star 28. Here will be rearrangement of electron, this electron will be over here, so 4 orbital will be fully filled by the electron, one of the orbital will be vacant, this is the 4s and this is the 4p, 4s and this is the 4p. So filling of electron by the ligand will be as follows. Because of coordination number is 4 vacant orbitals should be there. These are, so what we can say that hybridization will your D1 S1 2 of P DsP2 hybridization. If we'll go with the formation of complex, then that is as follows. This is your Ni Cn whole 4 2 minus, this is the 3d, this is the 4s and this is as a 4p, 4s and 3d. So there are 8 electrons in the 3d with the one vacant d orbital like this, Here will one of the Cn minus another Cn minus, this is another third Cn minus, and this is another fourth Cn minus. Here will pz orbital as a vacant orbital, no issue. dsp2 hybridization, so geometry will be square planar. This is Ni 4 of Cn like this, or you can draw it as follows. This is the Ni at the center. This is the Cn, 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 Cn. This is not Nc, this is the Cn because donor atom is carbon. बच्चा बड़ा कंफ्यूज होता है कि सर इनको माइनस शो कर दे, अगर इनको माइनस शो करते हो तो Ni50+2 रखना पड़ेगा, और अगर नहीं करते हो तो कैंसिल कर सकते हैं. देखिए -1 -1 -1 -1 -4 हो गया. दिस इज द +2 डिफरेंस ऑफ -2, तो ब्रैकेट पे चार्ज कर दिया आपने 2 माइनस. ज्योमेट्री इज योर स्क्वायर प्लानर with the bond angle of 90 degree. Unpaired electron, all are paired, so 0. Nature will be diamagnetic nature. Magnetic moment will be as a 0 from the formula root n +2, because unpaired electron is 0, n is equals to, so this will be 0 Bohr magneton. D पहले पार्टिसिपेट कर रहा है, so we can call it low spin complex, क्योंकि D पहले पार्टिसिपेट कर रहा है, d orbital, this is the D, and after then S and P, so it's a low spin complex. This was about the just another coordination number regarding to 4. फर्स्ट में हमने 2 के लिए किया, सेकंड में 3 के लिए किया, थर्ड में 4th के लिए टेट्राहेड्रल, अगेन फोर्थ एग्जांपल में फोर्थ कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर के रिगार्डिंग स्क्वायर प्लानर ज्योमेट्री. Now we'll go with the coordination number 5. Coordination number 5 के रिगार्डिंग बात करें. What is that? Listen me carefully. By using fifth example, as I promise you, I'll take a lot of example regarding to each and every coordination number. So we are going to take. This is the fifth example. Is your pentacarbonyl iron 0. This is the CO's whole 5, known as pentacarbonyl iron 0, because of CO is again your neutral molecule, and as we have discussed, it also acts as a strong ligand, and if it is strong ligand, then it will be pairing of electron. So ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट के रिगार्डिंग बात करें तो Fe is assumed as X, CO is a molecule 0, no charge 0, X is equals to 0. So in this complex Fe26 changes in Fe26 with the star excited state. If we'll go with the Fe26, then the electronic configuration organ 3d6 4s2 4p0. Now the atomic arrangement means arrangement of the electron in orbital 1 2 3 4 and 5, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 electron. Here is 2 electron in the 4s. This is the 3d and this is your 4p. Don't be panic. CO is a strong ligand, so it will be excited state. Fe26 denoted by star. This is the pairing of electron. This will be over here, this will be over here, and this pair will be over here. So total electron 6 plus 2, 8 will be filled as follows: 4, 6 and 8. This is the 3d orbital. This is your 4s and this is your 4p. Vacant orbital according to coordination number is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 orbital. So it will be D sp3 hybridization. During formation of complex compound, arrangement will be as follows: Fe COs whole 5. This is the 3D. This is the 3D. This is 4s. This is the 4p. 3D, 2, 4, 6 and 8. One of the lone pair by CO. Second lone pair. Third, fourth, and it will be your fifth. Net charge is 0. DSP3, that's why geometry will be trigonal bipyramidal. This is Fe. 3 will be in a plane like this. You can show coordinate bond also. One of the above the plane, another below the plane. This is called as trigonal bipyramidal as a geometry. Regarding to the geometry, bond angle will be 120 degree and 90 degree. Unpaired electron, all are paired. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, each and every pair. So 0 electron, unpaired electron. This will be dia, magnetic in nature of the complex. If we'll go with the further, then diamagnetic, so magnetic moment mu bm will also 0 from the formula root n plus 2, 0 Bohr magneton, and D पहले participate कर रहा है, so again it will be low spin या inner spin complex. Inner spin complex. This was regarding to the coordination number 5 as a pentacarbonyl iron 0. Now I would like to go with the coordination number 6 as a sixth example. Coordination number 6. So sixth example. This is the regarding to coordination number 6. We'll take CO F6. This is the, you can say 3 minus. First of all, oxidation number. So this is the X. Name of compound is your hexafluorido. Hexafluorido. Just you can take another example also. Fe F6 भी कर सकते हैं आप लोग. Fe F6 4 minus. So this is the hexafluorido ferrate. This is your 6 minus 4 second. 8 it means it's a complex, is a negatively charged. Oxidation state -1 6 -4 -6 +4 this is your minus 2, 0, this is your x is equals to plus 2, means in this complex Fe changes in Fe plus 2. Again, if we'll go with the ligand, this is the F minus fluorido is a weak ligand. This is the weak ligand. So Fe is your 26, again organ, this is your 3d6 and this is your 4s2, 4p0, because 18 and 6 is your 24 and 2 26. Now first of all Fe 26 changes in Fe plus 2, so loss of electron, organ 3d6, 4s0, 4p0. Now the arrangement of electron, this is the arrangement of electron, this is the 4s, 4p, you can go with the 3d, 4s and 4p, d6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, s is vacant, here is weak ligand, so no pairing of electron, but vacant orbital should be 6. So what we can do? We can take further d orbital, which are known as 4f, means वीक लिगेंड हो तो पेयरिंग नहीं होगी तो वैकेंट ऑर्बिटल यहाँ लोअर में मिलेगा नहीं, 6 चाहिए, सो 1 2 3 4 हुआ तो हम 4f के ऑर्बिटल्स को काउंट कर लेंगे, और जब बाद वाला 4d, तो जब बाद वाला d काम में आएगा देन इट विल बी एज अ हाई स्पिन कॉम्प्लेक्स. सो दिस इज द Fe, हाइब्रिडाइजेशन विल बी 6 ऑर्बिटल चाहिए तो s पहले, p बाद में, d और बाद में 2, sp3d2 hybridization. Whenever it will be formation of Fe F6 4 minus, then the arrangement will be as follows: 4 5, this is the 3d, this is the 4s and this is the 4p and this is the 4d, like this, 4d, 4p and this is the 3d. 3d के रिगार्डिंग बात करें 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन s के लिए फिल कर दिया, दिस इज द F माइनस, सेकेंड थर्ड फोर्थ फिफ्थ एंड सिक्स लिगेंड्स, F minus, F minus, F minus, F minus, and this is your F minus. Minus 6 plus 2 minus 4 is the difference. Now the geometry, sp3d2 और d2sp3 के लिए octahedral explain की थी आपसे. So this is the square, this is your Fe, like this. This is your above the plane F minus, you can say F, 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 F and F, and below the plane F. Charge is your 4 minus. Yes. Geometry is your octahedral. Geometry is your octahedral. Octahedral. If we go with the bond angle, then that is your 90 degree. Unpaired electron 0. Why 0? There are 1 2 3 4 electron as unpaired, so don't call it just unpaired electron 0. Here will 4 unpaired electron. So the nature will be not as diamagnetic, it will be paramagnetic nature. Paramagnetic nature. Just magnetic moment mu bm will be as a root n plus 2. Unpaired electron is 4 plus 2. This will be root 24 We can say approximately 4.8 बोर मैग्नेटोन. डी बाद में पार्टिसिपेट कर रहा है, sp3d2 आ रहा है. So this will be हाई स्पिन कॉम्प्लेक्स या आउटर स्पिन कॉम्प्लेक्स. हाई स्पिन कॉम्प्लेक्स और आउटर स्पिन कॉम्प्लेक्स. This was regarding to the coordination number 6 as a when complex compound exists weak ligand. So see the matter properly, because of this is very important, as I told you. Now the time to discuss about the final example regarding to coordination number 6 when there is strong ligand. This is the 7th example, and in next video we'll take a lot of example also. Fe Cn whole 6 4 minus, because of my motto is the maximum solution of your problem. आपकी हर एक प्रॉब्लम का सॉल्यूशन. So be with me. This is the Fe 6 4 minus hexa cyanido ferrate second, the name of complex compound. Atomic oxidation number X Cn के लिए -1 and Cn minus is your again strong ligand. और आपको इतने एग्जांपल्स में एक्सप्लेन कर चुका हूं. स्ट्रॉन्ग लिगेंड है तो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स की पेयरिंग होगी. सो दिस इज द -6, दिस इज द 4 माइनस x -6 plus 4 0 -2 0 plus 2 oxidation state second. So in this complex Fe changes in Fe plus 2. Fe is your 26. This is the Fe26 organ 3d6 4s2 4p0. Now the just Fe plus 2 26. This will be organ 3d6 4s0 4p0. Now Fe plus 2 के लिए इलेक्ट्रॉन्स का अरेंजमेंट. दिस इज द 26 organ. If I'll delete it, then we'll write 3d. This is the 3d. This is 4s. This is the 4p 4s, and this is the 3d. D is 6. So 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Ligand is strong, so it will excited state. We can write it as follows: Fe26 plus 2 star. Excited state को star से denote करें. These are the electrons. This will be over here, this will be over here, and so on. So here is the 6 electron. 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is the 3d. This is the 4s, and this is the 4p. Vacant orbital should be 6 according to coordination number. So these are the 6 orbital, where 2 of the d, 1 of s, and 3 of p. So hybridization will be d2sp3. D पहले आ रहा है, low spin complex compound. Whenever it will formation of the compound Fe, this is the Cn whole 6 4 minus, then this is the 3d 1 2 3 4 5 6. One of the lone pair for the Cn minus, second of lone pair for the Cn minus. In 4s one of the Cn minus in 4p, it will 1, 2, 3 Cn minus. This is the Cn minus, and this is your Cn minus. Minus 6, this is the plus 2, minus 4. Geometry octahedral, here will Cn, here will Cn, 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 Cn. Don't call it Nc. दोनों एटम कार्बन है तो Cn होगा, साइन ही दो. Geometry octahedral, bond angle 90 degree, unpaired electron. Now each and every electron is paired, none of unpaired. So it will be diamagnetic nature. This is the diamagnetic nature. Just magnetic moment from the root n plus 2, it will be 0 Bohr magneton. 0 Bohr magneton. We can write it as follows: 0 Bohr magneton. And participation of low d orbital, so it will be low spin complex or inner spin complex. Low spin, yeah, you can say inner spin complex. This was regarding to just your coordination number 6. So we will meet in the next video with the specific examples of the V.B.T, like complex compound of copper and platinum also, and with the just complex compound with the bidentate to didentate ligand also. We'll take one of the video for the V.B.T also. Be with me, इसी टाइप से विश्वास करते चलिए, हर एक टॉपिक को पढ़ते चलिए. और आपसे पहले भी कह चुका हूं, just after 14 I'll go with the live streaming on YouTube channel. So be with me. We'll take the class continuously, regularly, और पर्टिकुलर 12th का सिलेबस पहले फ्री करेंगे, CBSE और RBSE दोनों के लिए 10 चैप्टर्स का. उसके बाद में फिर हम फर्दर नीट और IIT JEE के लिए जितने भी क्वेश्चंस हैं, क्वेश्चन पेपर्स हैं, उनको सॉल्व करेंगे. और रिमेनिंग जो सिलेबस रह गया है उन सब की भी वीडियो डालेंगे ताकि आप लोगों के लिए, नीट और IIT वालों के लिए वो बेनिफिशियल हो सके. इसी टाइप से विश्वास कीजिए केमिस्ट्री वाला चैनल से. विजय कुमार सोनी, धन्यवाद, शुक्रिया.